বাকি তিনিটা যে থাকে তাৰে মিনিংখিনি মই আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে লৈ আহিছো এতিয়া bibliophile মানে কি a person who collects or has a great love for books okay so ne books ভাল পায় he or she is known as bibliophile so philologist মানে কি philologist is a learner of a language or linguist jone মানে language পঢ়ি আছে language ৰ ওপৰত related পঢ়ি থাকে he or she is known as philologist আৰু misogynist মানে কি a person who hates women যোনটো মই আপোনালোকক এই লাষ্টত বুজাওতে এক্সাম্পলস খিনি বুজাওতে আমি পাইছিলো someone who hates women is known as misogynist আৰু answer to ki ami answer to palu a hater of knowledge and learning is known as misologist so a hater of knowledge and learning okay next mcq loi goisu next question to ki ase next to ase one who abandons his religious faith abandons mane bad di dia mane religious faith to eri dia okay so eta amak topic ki dise mcqs or options kini ase apostate prostate profane aru agnostic so yare mazot correct option to kuntu correct option to hoise apostate okay apostate manam juntu bustu apostate word to meaning hoise one who abandons his religious faith so agotu nisinake yaro ma apnako baki kita words or meaning loi isu along with apostate so prostrate mane it is a gland surrounding the neck of the bladder in male mammals and releasing a fluid component of semen mane juntu apnako dingit gland thake that is known as prostrate gland ako profane mane ki it is of a person or behavior not respectful of religious practice une respect nokore religious practice so agnostic mane ki a person who believes that nothing is known or can be known of the existence or nature of god or apostate mane a person who renounces or abandons a religious or political belief or principle so amar correct option to yare juntu question disile questioner correct option to is apostate karon meaning to apnake sabo pare this meaning and the questions sentence is the same aru baki kita meaning di disu apnaloke ekhiniu duniake mot rakhibo paribo so moving on to the third mcq commencement of words with the same letter eto english skills lagibote ekhini karne jone jone poetry pori bhal pai jone jone iblak poetic devices bur jane temloke ekhini bhalke buzi pabo eta commencements of words with the same letter so for example suppose eta sentence isu sentence na eta common rhyme loi lisu twinkle twinkle little star okay twinkle twinkle okay twinkle twinkle to lisu okay twinkle 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 boli kote it is a repetition hote ki hoise yateu t so it is what it is a commencement of words with the same letter di commence hoise okay so enuka keteba ki hoy sentence to thake keteba kisman poems to thake so that is a bostu to ki boli jana jay pan boli jana jay ne alliteration boli jana jay ne transferred epithet boli jana jay ne oxymoron boli jana jay so answer to ami sao answer to ki hobo answer to hoise alliteration ite pan kiyo nohoy pan ekare nohoy because pan means a joke exploiting the different possible meanings of a word or the fact that there are words that sound alike but have different meanings mane pan mane ki sound to eke hoy word or sound to eke hoy kintu meanings bur beleg hoy okay next transferred epithet mane ki a transferred epithet often involves shifting a modifier from the animate to the inanimate as in the phrases next oxymoron mane ki it is a figure of speech in which apparently contradictory terms appear in conjunction so oxymoron ki hoy mane ekeloge mane juntu words opposite meanings bujay hebur ekeloge die so that is known as oxymoron so etialo ami ki bisari asu amak lage commencement of words with the same letter etialo ami tinta option porilo or tinta option ami ei meaning to poa nai so last ki baki thakil alliteration mane ki the occurrence of the same letter okay the occurrence of the same letter or sound at the beginning of adjacent or closely connected words so ma juntu koisilo apnaloko so it is the occurrence of the same letter or sound mane same letter hobo pare same sound hobo pare jetia ekeloge thake for example s sound to jodi ekeloge thake okay seashells on the seashore okay that is known as alliteration same sound ss sound same letter s likha ase that particular thing is known as what alliteration so amar correct option to ki it is alliteration okay baki khini meaning di disu baki khini meaning mot rakhibo jate kitebalo jodi etu questioner zakat বেলেগ এটা কুৱেশ্যন দি দিয়ে তেতিয়াও যাতে আপোনালোকে কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো চিলেক্ট কৰিব পাৰে অ'কে না মুভিং অন টু দি fourth MCQ person who does not believe in the existence of God etu moi apnalok examples kini bujai thakote koisilu a person who does not believe june believe nokore in the existence of God june bhagwanok na mane moi ki boli koisilu moi bhagwanok manu he karone moi ki hoy boli koisilu je moi theist hoy aru june bhagwanok na mane ekdom starting hot koisilu that person is known as atheist so ma options one ade mo mor ase mane karone koisu eta optionat sao baru asane nai theist ase heretic ase atheist ase fanatic ase so theist asile moi je example disilu atheist asile eduta nai so eduta nohoy boli ami thorilu ami ki korilu yate elimination technique to use korilu junto ami sentence completion apnalok koisilu okay so next so moi koisu je it is atheist let me see whether it is correct mo mort ase nai correct it is correct it is atheist okay so theist mane ki june believe kore amak ki lage june believe nokore next heretic word to ami poa asilu eta heretic or meaning to sai disu heretic mane ki a person believing in or practicing religious heresy okay next fanatic a person filled with excessive and single minded zeal ekdom mane utsaha thaka manu ki boli koy fanatic aru amak ki lage amak etu meaning lage june bhagwaনৰ ওপৰত বিশ্বাস নকৰে so atheist বুলি কৈছিলো মই so yes atheist is a correct option a person who disbelieves or lacks belief in the existence of God or gods okay so that is correct eto moi ekdom nuswake kolo kintu dei next number 5 story of old time gods and heroes so eta story juntu niki ekdom agor dinar bhagwan ba heroes or logot related so tak ki boli jana jay eta shobd let me see okay it is known as legend eta lyric kyo nohoy epic kyo nohoy aru romance kyo nohoy tare meaning to tare answer to eta moi di disu gute bilakor lyric mane ki it is expressing the writer's emotions usually briefly and in stanzas or recognized form so as a writer or emotion kini jetia apnaloke prakash kore in short lines okay bisi dangor ke no alaman short jetia ami kunuba writer or feelings ni prakash koru that particular thing is known as lyric next to abo epic mane ki epic means it is a long poem okay epic mane long poem hoy typically one derived from ancient oral tradition narrating the deeds and adventures of heroic or legendary figures of the past history of a nation so agodnor kotha kwa jay kintu epic mane ki hoy it is a long poem okay which narrates the old traditions or old stories of the adventures of heroic or legendary figures next is legend so amak lagisile story of old time gods and heroes is so what is legend means a traditional story sometimes popularly regarded as historical but not authenticated okay it is a traditional story mane it is an old story of what old time gods and heroes next is what romance mane ki it is about affection it is about amor okay romance boli kole apnala gomai pa romance boli kole mutu Shahrukh Khan le mon for okay the king of romance boli jako so romance means what showing affection showing amor okay to amor boli jana jay okay so it is not correct so yate eko romance kotha nai eko affection kotha nai yate ki ase story of old time yate enekeu koi dia nai je it is a long poem boli kwa nai long poem boli dile hoyto epic hol short poem in short stanzas boli dia nai titia thakile hoyto lyric hol so yate ki boli koise it is a story of old time gods and heroes that's why the correct option will be what legend okay moving on to the 6th MCQ a sad song okay eta gan juntu niki khub dukhor gan okay so a sad song is known as what dt boli dise nel dirge le so the correct answer is dirge okay a sad song dukh loga gan eta kami aru eta name di jodi kobo loga hoy in english it is known as dirge eta dt mane ki dt mane a short simple song eta suti ekdom simple gan etu sad song nohoy ini simple gan aru next nel the sound of a bell especially when rung solemnly for a death or funeral so nel mane ki hoy it is a sound of a bell je ki kunba manu dhukai kitiba tonke bell bojai je that is known as nel it is dirge mane ki dirge mane hoise a mournful song piece of music or sound so mournful mane ki it is a sad song okay so yate koise a mournful song piece of music or sound so song ho pare it might be a music it might also be only a song okay so a mournful mane ki it is related to sadness so that is the correct option aru lay boli kote lay meaning to ki down gently or carefully means lay laying down আমি যে পৰি যোৱা বুলি কওঁ তলত মানে বাগৰি দিয়ে that is known as lay so it is not related to song all right next one who believes in the power of fate okay so one who believes in the power of fate is known as what fatalist it is about a option to juntu dia ase a question to option to select koribo loban easy kyo easy yete ki dise one who believes in the power of fate fate boli kote f a t e option at sabo fatalist optimist pessimist parsimonious so f a t মানে related to the word মানে পঢ়িলে গম পাই যে fatalist মানে it will be related to fate মানে আপোনাৰ question to চাব option to চাব option to চাই কিবা চাব আপোনাক question to পিছত যেটা option to চাব কিছুমান option চোৱাৰ লগে লগে ডাইৰেক্ট relate কৰিব পাৰিব যেটা fatalist বুলি দিয়া আছে এটা fate আছে so fate ৰ লগত fatalist word to মিল আছে so that will be the correct option so fatalist এতিয়া fatalist হয় বুলি আমি এমবিৰ ধৰিলো গমো পালো এটা বাকিটা মিনিং কি optimist মানে কি optimist মানে হল hopefulness and confidence about the future or success মানে জুনে hope ৰাখে regarding what regarding the better future regarding a good future or has a confidence মানে future কাৰণে এটা confidence আছে এটা hope আছে that the future will be successful okay about the future or success of something মানে positive okay being positive about the future next is pessimist a tendency to see the worst aspect so optimist or কি হয় ইয়াতে আমি আকৌ antonym আৰু synonym পালো দে optimist or pessimist these are what these are the antonyms and synonyms okay ki antonyms and synonyms it is antonyms okay optimist or antonym is a pessimist okay so optimist mane ki optimist mane hol june niki বিশ্বাস কৰে যে পিছলৈ আহিব লগা দিনবোৰত ভাল হ'ব okay so pessimist জুনলা মান থাকে pessimist মানুহবিলাকে কি কৰে they are thinking about the future that something worst will happen কিবা বেয়া হ'ব জুনে ভাল হ'ব বুলি ভাবে they are known as optimist জুনে ভাবে কি যে নাই আহিব লগা দিনবোৰ চাগে আৰু বেয়া কিবা কিবি হ'ব they are known as pessimist okay so these are antonyms optimist is the antonym of pessimist pessimist is the antonym of optimist okay next is parsimonious parsimonious mane ki very unwilling to spend money or use resources someone who is very unwilling jone mane paisa to khorch koribo nukhuje okay that particular person is known as what parsimonious okay our fatalist mane already kolu the belief that all events are predetermined and therefore inevitable okay so jone ki bhagyok biswas kore okay someone who believes in fate mane jone bhagyok biswas kore that is known as those persons are known as fatalist okay believe that all events are predetermined mane jitu mane kismane biswas kore je already mane enuka hobo boli likha ase jitu bhagyot likha ase hetu hoboe okay someone who believes in bhagyo fate kami akhme ko bhagyo that those persons are known as what fatalist now coming to the 8th MCQ a person who loves everybody okay as one person joni ki soboke bhal pae okay what is that particular person known as option is a cosmopolitan fratricide altruistic and aristocrat and the correct option is what altruistic karon kyo cosmopolitan mane ki cosmopolitan mane including people from many different countries mane beleg countries opor jete manu thake that particular group is known as cosmopolitan yate ma group or kotha hudise niki group or kotha huda nai yate ma hudise a person or kotha who loves what who loves everybody jone soboke bhal pa kintu ejon person or kotha hudise so next is fratricide fratricide mane ki it is the killing of one's brother or sister jone niki nijor bhai ba bhonik mare e para juntu e killing ok ami ki buli ko fratricide next altruistic showing a disinterestedness and selfless concern for the well-being of others unselfish mane juni ki selfish nohoy eta june selfish nohoy okol nijor na bhabe baki bilakor kotha tu bhabe that means what he particular manujone baki manukinik phal pae he karon selfish nohoy so that particular person is known as altruistic and last one is aristocrat mane hol noble man so the correct option is what altruistic now moving to the 9th MCQ the murder of brother এটা brother ok je murder kore he brother ok murder to ki buli koy there is a particular term eta option is a homicide regicide fratricide suicide okay suicide to nohoy direct saya cover it is not correct okay so correct option to ki correct option to is a fratricide okay এটা homicide মানে কি killing of one person by another so homicide মানে হল যে এজনে আনজনক মাৰাটোকে কয় homicide বুলি আকৌ regicide মানে কি the action of killing a king যেতিয়া এজন ৰজাক মাৰে murder কৰে that particular thing is known as regicide এতিয়া আকটা মত পৰিছে এই regicide বুলি কলে ৰজাক মাৰেটো অসমীয়াত regicide are ৰজা are এটো মত ৰাখিব ইজি হ'ব সো এটো মত ৰাখিব regicide মানে killing of a ৰজা alright next fratricide মানে the killing of one's brother or sister okay so এটা অকল brother বুলি দিছে so brother হ'ব পাৰে বা sister হ'ব পাৰে so fratricide মানে যদি এনেকে যদি দিয়ে the murder of sister বুলি হলো fratricide হ'ব the murder of brother বুলি কলো fratricide হ'ব that means both brother and sister murder কৰাটোকে fratricide বুলি কয় and next is suicide মানে to it's common unintentionally causing one's own death মানে নিজকে নিজ মাৰাটো কি বুলি কয় নিজকে নিজে আমি যেতিয়া হত্যা কৰো that is known as suicide okay last MCQ of the class that is a man who rarely speaks the truth june niki khub rarely kittia bhai mane hosa kotha koy okay enta mane misai koi thake kittia bhai eta duta hosa kotha koy aru okay so option ki dise crook liar scoundrel hypocrite egita olopan easy yare to liar jane lagise misolia mane liar so misolia bore ki kore misai koi thake majote kittia ba eta duta hotu hosa kotha koy so according to me it is liar okay let's see yes it is liar so it a crook number word to paise it a crook mane ki meaning to sound crook mane hoise informally a person who is dishonest or a criminal jone dishonest or jone criminal kore crimes kore that particular person is known as what a crook liar mane ki a man who rarely speaks the truth so it similar whole so as I've already said liar is the correct option next is scoundrel mane ki a dishonest or unscrupulous person or rogue someone who is very dishonest okay a person who is very dishonest মানে honesty নাই মানুহজনৰ তাত so that particular person is known as what scoundrel আৰু একেবাৰে হেকত কি আছে hypocrite behaving in a way that suggests one has higher standards or more noble beliefs and is the case of hypocrite মানে কি মানুহজনক দেখাত কিবা লাগে দেখাত বেলেগ এটা ইমেজ দেখায় but অন্তৰেদি ভিতৰেদি means that person is the opposite okay suppose মোৰ কথা বাৰ কৈছো আৰু ওকে suppose মই খুব সুইট হৈ দেখাইছো কাৰোবাক আৰু ভিতৰদি মই হে মানুহজনৰে বেয়া হোৱাটো বিচাৰিছো so that is having two faces is known as hypocrite okay মানে দুমুখিয়া বুলি যে কও মানে মুখত ভাল কিছুমানে পেটত বেয়া থাকে মুখত খুব ভালকে কব কিন্তু পিছে মানে বেয়া হোৱাটো বিচাৰে that particular person is known as what hypocrite তেওঁক আমি কও hypocrite বুলি okay so আমি 10টা MCQs চালো আকৌ এবাৰ আমি এটা ৰিভিজন কৰি লৈছো আজি ক্লাছত আমি কি কৰিলো so আজি ক্লাছত আমি চালো one word substitution or word substitution jak ami অসমীয়াত কওঁ কি বুলি এটা শব্দত প্ৰকাশ কৰা হেখিনি চালো একদম ফাৰ্স্টতে আমি চালো ডেফিনেশন ওকে one word substitution মানে কি হেতু চালো নেক্সট আমি চালো categories of one word substitution আমি 13টা ক্যাটেগরি ধুনিয়াকে ডিভাইড কৰি ললো আৰু বেলেগ বেলেগ ক্যাটেগৰি যেটো আপোনালোকে পঢ়িলে আৰু অলপ ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰিব কিন্তু যোনখিনি খুব প্ৰমিনেন্ট ক্যাটেগৰিজ আমি হেখিনি চালো আজি হেখিনি সোৱাৰ লগতে ক্যাটেগৰিজ খিনি সোৱাৰ লগতে next আমি কি চালো category wise আমি 3টা 4টা 5টা কই एग्जांपल চালো ওকে আমাৰ ওয়ার্ড স্টক অলমান বাঢ়িল আমি বহুত কথা গম পালো ওকে নেক্সট আমি কি কৰিলো আমি যেহেতুকে অলমান আইডিয়াটো হৈ গল যে ওয়ান ওয়ার্ড সাবস্টিটিউশন কি আপোনাৰ category wise examples বুৰ কি হেবিলাক চালো সোৱাৰ পিছত আমি কি কৰিলো সদায় দৰে আগৰ ক্লাसेस বুৰ দৰে আমি 10টা MCQs আনিলো 10টা MCQs আমি সোৱাৰ পিছত আমি কি কৰিলো we got to know more words okay more one word substitution ami aru gom palu so okol answer to logote ami ki salu baki jungita answer correct no hoy jungita option correct no hoy tare no meaning to ki ami hetu salu so aji class loi ekhiniye hol so I hope you have understood thank you and have a good day